Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. It's Lindsay here with a special guest. This is Phoenix. I know you guys saw photos of him but no videos yet. He's not quite a lap cat. He is pretty wild, so I don't think he's going to stay here long, but I want to officially introduce him. He loves being out in this room. Hi Phoenix. So he's a really sweet boy, very active. He's only about 1 year old, so he is into everything. But he is really a sweet boy. So I'm gonna let him down and you may hear him. I do have him in this room with me. So he does like to make some chirping sounds and stuff like that. So anyways, I hope you're having a great week. I'm here with another unboxing for you. If you're new to my channel, I'm a part-time reseller here on YouTube, also Poshmark and The Real Real, and I drop videos Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. I also have bonus content, so make sure you hit your bell notification when you subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. So tonight I do have a fun box for you, and this one just arrived. These have been taking a while to ship. I did order one maybe last week and it has not shipped out yet. But the last couple have been pretty good, so I keep picking these up. I ordered it on June 10th, $4 plus tax and $9.99 shipping, and you get 10 to 12 items. Oh, and I forgot to mention I did get my hair cut today, and I just got home and finished filming my America's Thrift Supply video that you guys saw on Monday. And I wanted to come on and record since my hair was done, but I'm not dressed up or I don't have any jewelry on, but I want to get this video out. So here's the first look. And some of the boxes are themed. I'm not sure about this one yet. Well, let's take a look. I will be offering items for sale during the video. So if you see anything that you would like to purchase, just send me an email and I'll get you out a PayPal invoice. So our first item is a Felina 2-pack sleep dress, and this is in cotton modal. And it's a size medium, and that fits a 8 through 10, and there's no retail price or anything on this one, but it's really nice, a gray and then like a Tiffany blue. And there's what it looks like. So I will look that brand up and put a price on the screen, but that's a good item. I do love selling sleepwear. And our next piece are some isotoner gloves. These are therapeutic gloves that ease pain and swelling due to arthritis or injury. They're latex free, and you can wear them anytime. Seamless support. And I don't know if it says what size these are. There is a size chart here. They are an extra small, it looks like. So extra small in the camel color. They ease pain and swelling from arthritis, surgery, repetitive motion, and other hand-related injuries. So that's pretty cool. It doesn't give any more details about what an extra small would be. I'll put a price on the screen for those, but that's a great item and definitely a sellable piece. And next up, it looks like we might have a belt. These are pretty common to get in the boxes, and this is branded, so that's great. It is kind of like a burgundy with some purple in it. It's really pretty. And this is White House Black Market. It has gunmetal hardware. White House Black Market, and it says feel beautiful. It's an extra small. Front is man-made materials and the back is genuine leather. So I will put a measurement for this on the screen and also a price, but it looks like it's in brand new condition. And the closure, it just closes like that. So that's how it looks in the front. Definitely a designer look. So that's a good item. And we have our bag of hair accessories here. We have a headband with a top knot and this is really soft. It is like a light gray color, and it feels like a suede on the inside. I don't see any markings on that one, but it's in great condition. We'll do $3 on this if anybody wants that. And this is like a gingham print, also with a top knot, and looks like brand new condition. We'll do both of these for $5 if you guys want both, or $3 a piece. And there is also a hair scrunchie, and this is Lululemon. So that's fantastic. It is a darker gray and a lighter gray. So that is great. I think I've gotten one of these before. So I'll put a price on the screen for the Lululemon. And then our last hair accessory are these little clips with faux pearls. And we'll just do $3 for the set on those. Those are also nice condition. And next up we have a Taurus gift pack. It includes a message bracelet, original Candier art card, stickers, and a pink envelope. So it looks like it's a treat for your bestie. So you can send them the card with the bracelet in it. So we'll do $3 on that one also. Brand new. And our next item is Torrid Tights. These are floral lace burnout faux thigh-high tights. And these are a size 1 to 2. And that is a women's 14 through 20, it looks like. And they're black, and they have like a floral pattern on them. So really nice. We'll do $5 on those. And Phoenix is into some of the air pillows, it looks like. Our next piece is from Gwen Studios. And this is cool. It is a fabric. It makes one tunic. So, excuse me, he's under the table where the tripod is attached, and he's moving it around. So I apologize. We may have to boot him out of this room here. So this is just the fabric, and then you make your own tunic. It has instructions included. So that is so fun. It's 80% polyester and 20% cotton, machine wash cold. So I'll put a price on the screen for that. That's really cool. And our next item is a book, and this is Elin Hilderbrand. And this is the book Swan Song. So I'm gonna keep this and read it, and then maybe offer it up for sale. Let me know if you guys have read this one. But I do love a good beach read, so I'm gonna hang on to that one. And we've got a couple more items here. We have a brooch, and this is like a plaster, I guess, and it's got multicolored flowers on it, and it's in good shape. Kind of has that 1928 look with the roses. We'll do $3 on that one. And our we got a banger, I think, for our last piece. Oh my goodness. This is a Coach keychain, and it's a cowboy boot. This is adorable. And it was a $48 retail. And it says made in China. It's got the Coach hang tag. I think it's black, silver, and then the pink. I love that. That is great. So I will look up comps on that piece and put a price on the screen, but that is amazing. So very happy about that item. That definitely made this box. But overall, the box was pretty good. We got a lot of new items. Definitely my favorite piece here. That was one with a Coach keychain, 2 with the brooch, 3 with the book. I'm happy about that one. And then we had 4, 5, 6, and then 7 if you want to count all of the hair accessories separate. So that would be 7 with those. And then we had 8 with the make your own tunic. 9, we had the Torrid tights. 10, we had the White House Black Market belts. I think this was 11. I'm sorry, I'm a little distracted because of Phoenix. The isotoner gloves. And our last item, oh, we had the Taurus bracelet and then the 2-pack of nightgowns. So I'm very, very happy with this box. I will continue to order these. They're not cheap, but they're really fun, a great variety. So I will order one the next time I can see them available. And I do have another one that should be on the way soon that I ordered last week. So this video is going to go out Thursday. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend and a very happy and safe 4th of July. I'm not sure if we have any plans. We're kind of in the space we're gonna need to be home a lot right now with him, which is fine. I have plenty to do here that I need to catch up on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back on Monday, probably with some more jewelry. I will see you then.